Hyatt Centric Sacramento, room 319. Let's check it out. Okay, you come in, you've got the closet immediately to your left. Come in, you have the bathroom also to your left. Very dark colors and also dark in the light. There's not a lot of light here, but this is a very nice large shower. You got shower head there. You have your amenities, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Controls on this opposite side. So you control here and then the shower comes from the other side. Then of course toilet. Then you come in, it's got a barnyard door to close off the bathroom if you'd like. Okay. Then you come on in to the main area. And you've got this thing here to the right, open up. This has got your refrigerator, coffee machine, ironing board. Close that up. You got the flat screen TV, a little area, the sitting area, and some more storage, less storage. A little desk area with water. Well, let's check that out. Recycling, water, nice chair. And you've got the window, another chair in the corner for seating, little table, artistic lights, king bed, and then the room. So this is the king bed, Hyatt Centric Sacramento, California. This is what you'll get if you make your reservation. Okay. So let's take a look at the view here. We're on the third floor. Not much to see. Downtown Sacramento. The parking is very expensive. So you're looking at approximately $50 a day parking. And let's do another walkthrough of the room. The desk area, TV with the storage and seating area. Okay. Theme is almost like the architect, if you look at the type of furniture, it's almost like a Middle Eastern theme in a way. So that is the room, the Hyatt Centric Sacramento.